OpenAI just dropped a release that feels unreal, like we finally caught an AI mid-thought. For the first time, you can trace a single decision down to a handful of internal components, almost like following electricity across a circuit board. This isn't hype, this is the moment AI stopped being a blur and started looking readable. The project is called circuit-sparsity, based on the paper Weight-Sparse Transformers Have Interpretable Circuits. Alongside the research, OpenAI released a real model on Hugging Face called OpenAI/circuit-sparity, plus a full toolkit on GitHub under OpenAI/circuit-sparity. This isn't theory sitting in a PDF. You can run the model yourself. That's the key shift. OpenAI didn't just explain an idea, they shipped it, letting people actually inspect how a model thinks internally. OpenAI trained a GPT-2-style transformer on Python code while forcing extreme sparsity. Almost all internal connections were removed, not after training, but during training, at every optimization step, from beginning to end. Traditional language models are massive tangled systems where nearly everything talks to everything else. Millions or billions of connections fire simultaneously, which is why even correct answers feel mysterious and untraceable. Instead of keeping that complexity, OpenAI deliberately zeroed out most connections. Not weakened, not masked, fully deleted. Every training update kept only the strongest connections and erased the rest. In the most aggressive setup, only one connection out of every 1,000 survives. Over 99.9% of the internal wiring disappears. On top of that, only about 1 in 4 internal signals is allowed to activate at any moment. You'd expect performance to break, but it doesn't. The model starts flexible, then gradually compresses its knowledge as connections are removed. Whatever survives becomes the most essential logic. When OpenAI compared sparse models to dense ones, the result was striking. For the same accuracy, the sparse models used internal reasoning machinery that was about 16 times smaller. Instead of vague hidden states, OpenAI defines a circuit concretely, a small group of internal units, and the exact connections between them. Each unit might be a neuron, attention head, or memory slot. Each connection is a single surviving weight. The goal became simple but powerful. Find the smallest internal circuit that still solves a task. To test this, OpenAI designed 20 simple coding challenges with only 2 possible next tokens. No creativity, just precision. Examples include choosing single versus double quotes, deciding how many closing brackets are needed, or remembering whether a variable is a set or a string to apply the correct operation later. OpenAI systematically removed internal components until performance dropped. Removed parts were frozen to average values, ensuring they could no longer secretly influence results. For the quote task, the final circuit had just 12 internal units and 9 connections. One unit detects quotes, another distinguishes single from double, and a later unit copies that signal to generate the correct closing quote. This isn't loose pattern matching. The model executes a clear internal routine: detect, classify, copy, output. You can follow the logic step by step. 4 brackets, internal detectors activate on opening symbols. Another component aggregates them to represent nesting depth. A final unit decides whether 1 or 2 closing brackets are required. Pure counting. In the variable type task, the model stores a tiny internal marker when a variable is created, then retrieves it later to choose the correct operation. It stores information and recalls it when needed. These circuits are small enough to read. At that point, you're no longer watching outputs. You're watching decisions form inside the model. OpenAI added bridges, which act as translators between sparse and dense models. Signals from interpretable sparse circuits can be injected into full-scale dense systems. This means interpretability isn't stuck in toy demos. These internal features can be mapped onto real production-level models. OpenAI shipped OpenAI/circuit-sparity, a 0.4 billion parameter model available on Hugging Face under an Apache 2.0 license, along with a full GitHub toolkit and Visual Circuit Explorer. This release isn't about making AI stronger. It's about making AI legible, showing how decisions happen, not just what the output is. OpenAI didn't prove consciousness. What they did was make internal decision paths visible at scale, turning opaque behavior into traceable steps. Axios framed it clearly. OpenAI isn't too big to fail. It's bigger. The entire AI economy reacts when OpenAI shifts direction. Competition from Google, ongoing lawsuits, and over $1 trillion in infrastructure and chip commitments mean even small changes ripple through markets. Microsoft and Meta are buying aggressively. If OpenAI slows, chip demand drops, capital spending stalls, and credit markets feel the impact. Sam Altman has stated openly that failure should remain possible. OpenAI emphasizes confidence and progress, but scrutiny remains high. TechRadar reports an adult mode for ChatGPT planned for early 2026, using behavioral age prediction instead of simple checkboxes. When AI decisions affect content boundaries, regulation, and trust, internal clarity stops being academic. It becomes infrastructure. Circuit sparsity offers a way to shrink complex behavior into readable, testable, steerable systems, machines you can inspect and control. Does readable AI move us closer to real control, or does it concentrate power in ways we still don't fully understand? And that's circuit sparsity, AI you can actually read and follow. Does this give us real control, or just concentrate power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this blew your mind, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI deep dives. I will see you in next video.